Hey you all, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through and checking things off this list as I go. So I hope that you enjoy and it gives you the motivation you need to check things off your list.
More, am I going crazy? Needed you just to help forget it all. And it was easy, you put the records on.
And for those of you that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Danielle. I'm a stay-at-home mama and wife. I'm married to my hard-working husband, Justin, and we have 2 kids, a daughter named Peyton, she'll be 9 in January, and a son, Bryson. He will be 4 on October 13th. So thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you'll stick around by hitting that subscribe button and join my small but growing YouTube family. Alright, it's now time to move on to the kitchen. I'm going to start by cleaning my stove, and right there I'm showing you the cleaner that I'm going to be using. It's an all-purpose cleaner, and I purchased it at Target. The brand is Smartly, and the scent is, I believe, Citrus Grove. I love it. It smells so good. Alright, so now I'm showing you what I use to put in my dishwasher. I am using the Cascade Complete Dishwasher Pod, and I also like to put 2 to 3 drops of Dawn dish soap in as well. I normally like to use the blue Dawn dish soap, but this is just what I had on hand. Now, if you're going to use this little tip that I gave you about the Dawn dish soap, please, please, please be careful and only use 2 to 3 drops, because you will have a mess on your hands if you don't. But don't be scared to try it. It works really well. It makes my dishes super clean and shiny. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are also obsessed with vacuum lines and a clean sink. I cannot get enough. Now another little tip I'm going to share with you is to put a couple drops of essential oil down your drain. I'm using the lemon scent. It makes it smell so good. I learned this from Amanda from This Crazy Life. And speaking of Amanda, if you haven't heard of her, she makes amazing videos here on YouTube. I'll leave the link to her channel down in the description box. She lives in Utah with her husband Kyle and their 3 boys, Luke, Liam, and Noah. Those boys are so cute. You're gonna love Amanda's channel. I wanted to take a moment and thank those of you that are subscribed. It truly means a lot. And for those of you that aren't, please hit the button. It just lets you know every time I upload a new video. Let me know down in the comments what are some great chores for children. Like I said earlier, my son, he will be 4 in a few days, but he loves helping with the garbages. Now it's time to move on to the bathroom. I'm going to start by removing the rugs and the hand towel and throwing them in the wash, and then going ahead and decluttering the sink area and then spraying it all down.
Could keep my hands on myself. Take out dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl as in me.
Also, let me know down in the comments what I can do about lighting in my bathroom. I kind of hate filming in it because the lighting is terrible. Also, let me know what your most hated chore is. I am not a fan of cleaning the bathroom, especially when my children decide to spit all over the mirror. And when you have an almost 4-year-old boy, cleaning toilets is not fun.
It's still, I can feel it still. Gotta love 'em 66 now. Might have had your fill, I can feel it still. We can fight a war for peace. Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop flipping for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks down. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Nothing over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still.
So that's it for today's video. I hope it gave you some great cleaning motivation to clean your home. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button. It helps my channel out, but also lets me know that you guys enjoy these types of videos. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye!